Friends, how are you? Today I'm going to discuss responsibility. This is chapter 11 of your book, class 7. Now I'm going to start this chapter. Try to understand the concept of this story at first. Responsibility. We know very well. What is responsibility? This word you have listened many times everywhere. What is the meaning of responsibility? Okay, you have listen the name. Okay, try to understand the concept of this word. What is the meaning of responsibility? Okay, the state of fact of having a duty to deal with something or having control over someone. A true leader takes responsibility for their team and helps them achieve goals. It means what? The state of the fact of being accountable or the blame for something. Okay, the group has claimed responsibility for a string of murders. Okay, the so, what is the meaning of responsibility? Try to understand again. Having the job or duty of dealing with taking care of something or someone, able be trusted to do what is right or to do things that are expected or required. Clear? So we have understood what is the meaning of responsibility. Now I'm going to start the chapter. Usually, we are all very careful with the things that belong to us. We not only handle them with care, but very often handle them like eggs. This is because we want our things to last and even outlast us. However, when we deal with other things, we forget this and handle them with lesser care. While at work, do you take care of your desks, chairs, telephones? While at work, it was try to understand. We are all very careful. We are all very careful for doing anything. Okay, for doing anything. Why? Because we want our thing to last. Okay, from starting point to ending points. Okay, this is the responsibility. Work begins, we will move to end till the end. So while at work, do you take care of your desk, chairs, telephone, machines, tools, gadgets, other valuable instruments? Do you handle them as your own household things? If you so, you have a sense of responsibility, aspect that is very important and essential. It means what? If you want to keep anything, then you keep it. Okay, either a telephone, machines, or tools, or any other gadgets, because you have responsibility how to keep it. Often mean a narrow-minded people ventilate their grievances by breaking, damaging, and causing loss to the honor of properties. Such acts should be deplored and checked by those who notice them. A destructive child loses many good things from his parents because he doesn't take care of his belonging. He is careless in responsibilities. It is what? Here the two people. One is doing good and he takes responsibility, and another is not taking responsibilities. Okay, there are the similarities between good and bad. Okay, first is responsible and second is irresponsible. Now I'm going to give you some examples of it. Okay, try to understand. Chandrabhan is a village boy. Who is village boy? Chandrabhan. Okay, living with his parents. Who is living with his parents? Chandrabhan is living with his parents and brother in the village. There is much work to do home since his father is a Tonga driver. You know what is Tonga? Tonga, you can see it in the cities. Okay, there's also a buffalo to be cared for. While his father is always there, he shoulders his responsibilities very well. He takes the buffalo to drink water at the pond. He gathered food for the buffalo and washed up the courtyard where she is right every day. It means what? Chandban was very responsible person because he did each and every work timely, properly, and properly. Okay, and in a systematic way. Okay, and his mother needs help too. He does it all ungrudgingly. He wants to be a teacher through his father is a Tonga driver. His father is a Tonga driver, but he wanted to be a teacher because he doesn't want to be a Tonga driver. That's why he's working hard. He's doing hard in his study. He's also doing the work, but he created some time for the study. He attended the village school in the afternoon. He also helped his younger brother with his license. He watched his own and uh, his brother. Okay, in this way, he is doing each and every work, but he doesn't leaving his study. His study is also important. Okay, uh, with other work also. Okay, he's helping his father, he's helping his mother, he's helping his brother, and other people, but he's not leaving his studies. He's also doing his studies very well, with the help of with all work. Okay, he's not ignoring any other work. Cross and gives his brother a bath. He is good, careful, and responsible boy. Don't you think good we will be want him? Some years ago, the mother of a large family died. Okay, it is a small incident. Try to understand. Some years ago, it means what many years ago, as mother of a large family died upon the frail soldiers of the eldest girl, not at 17, felt the burden of caring of the family. With a word, she took over the household chores, kept the children clean, well fed, and sent them to school. One day, when a friend stopped by and complaining her on the achievement, she replied, I cannot take credit for the something I have to do. God leaves us on our own to accept our responsibility to evade them. It means what I to understand. God has sent on that earth to do our work properly and regularly. We cannot avoid it. Okay, we cannot avoid it. So we see handle with the care doesn't apply to things alone. It applies to human beings too, with whom we have to deal with every day. Okay, we have many work for doing. It is our duty to work that work. Okay, it is our duty to do that work. A barber's assistant seeing a man comes for shapes asks the boss, may I try giving him a shape? It will be a good practice for me. All right, go ahead, replied the boss doubtfully, but be careful, don't cut yourself. Okay, it must you can cut him, but don't cut yourself. Every often we are careful with ourselves and are careless with other in our dealing. It means it must we are careful full with ourselves, but we are careless others. Okay, we should not careless others. Not long ago, a 35 years old woman committed suicide. How many years ago? 35 years ago, committed suicide. Why committed suicide? Now you will understand how. She had often complained of the loneliness that had confronted her in childhood and had followed her all through her life. Shortly before her death, she spoke of the emptiness of her existence and referred to her life as a horrible mess. After she had died, her friend remembered her warning signal, and they regretted that they had not heeded her cries for help. If they had paid attention to the loneliness and given her more attention, probably she would not have died. It was what, suppose we are living in the family, then it is our duty to see what are the problems of the other member of the family. What are the problems of member of the family? It is our duty to see him. If we will not see him, then he will do any bad work. Okay, he will go on any wrong track, just like she has done. A 35 years old woman committed suicide. Okay, in this way, so his friends remembered her warning signals. There were many friends he remembered. They knew very well her warning signal. He regretted that they had not heeded her cries for help. Okay. if they would give proper attention to loneliness woman, then she did not commit suicide. Okay. After that, last part of the story, try to understand. This is the last part. We should feel for these people. Their outlook on the life would have been healthy and normal if someone had shown a bit of interest in them. We should take interest of in everybody's life. We will have, it is our duty to help them. At many a human tragedy could be averted by a little thoughtful solicited on our part if people are willing to shoulder the responsibility and fulfill their duties. This world will be a better place to live in. Do your part by lending a line to those who need your help. One evening, a man took a candle from a box and began to climb a long, winding stairway. Where are you going? Asked the candle. Where are you going? Asked the candle. Who asked? Candle asked. To whom? That man. I'm going up higher than the house to saw ships the way to the harbor. To whom? To the harbor. Ships was going. He replied. The candle said, but no ships in the harbor could see my light. It is so small, very small. It means my light was very small. How candle can see it? Okay. How sheep can see the candle? It was not possible. Even if your light is small, the man said, keep burning brightly and leave the rest to me. When the man reached the top of the long staircase, he came to a great lamp. He lit the lamp. Soon the great polished reflector behind the lamp began to send beam of light across miles of seas. It means what? It is the opinion of that people that if I will do that in the work in this way, then definitely I will overcome from all problems and definitely I will success. Okay, it means what? A successful person is he who takes responsibility to try his best. Okay, which person? A successful person. An unsuccessful person will always find the negative things. How I cannot do it. There will be problem. If I'll do it, there's some problem may arise. These things, the only negative things he will think. Okay, if but successful person always thinks the positive and he will leave the left the negative things. Okay, these are the similarities between these are the difference between successful and unsuccessful person. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe on this channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.